Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at home with your parents. I am Swagatika, your math teacher. Today I am going to teach about division. At first I will teach how division is repeated subtraction. I will give some example and I will teach you. Look at the blackboard. Here 9 divided by 3. How 9 divided by 3? I will give the answer by repeating subtraction. So at first we have to see the question. It is 9 divided by 3. So we will start 9 subtracted by 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So till we will get 0, we have to subtract the number. So how many times we have subtracted the number? That one we have to count. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times we have subtracted from 3 and we got 0. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. So 3 3s are 9. All of you know the tables, multiplication table. 3 3s are 9. Another example I am giving here. 8 divided by 4. So we have to subtract 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So how many times we have subtracted? We have subtracted 2 times to get 0. That's why 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. I hope students you understood what divide by repeated subtraction. So another example I'll give in another method. So I have to erase the board. So students, look at the blackboard. I have written here division fact. What is division fact? I will give some example. Like here, 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45. I hope you know 15 table. So 15 3s are 45. What is the division facts about here? So we have to write 45 here, and here two numbers are given. So when we are dividing 45 divided by 15, the answer will come 3. Like 15 3s are 45. Another thing is here, 45 when we are dividing 45 with 3, we are getting here 15, or 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45. Another example I will give you here, that is 8 into 4s are 32. So when we are multiplying 8 multiplied by 4, we are getting 32. And when we will divide 32 divided by 8, we will get 4. Like 8 4s are 32. And when we will divide 32 divided by 4, we will get answer 8. Like this we have to write 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. Means 8 4s are 32. And when we are dividing 32 divided by 4 here, we will get 8. This is called division facts. So another thing I will teach about the division, more about division. So I will give some example, but first we have to erase the board. So students, here you can see I have written fill in. What is fill in division? I have given some homework in multiplication also fill in. Now I will teach about what is fill in division. What we will fill in division. So I will give some questions here. You can see 8 divided by 2. I hope everybody know about 2 table. So in 2 table, which number we are multiplying means we are getting 8. So I hope you know 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So the answer here you can write 4. Like that 6 divided by 3. 3 how much is 6? 3 multiplied by what is 6? 3 2s are 6. Like that 15 divided by 5. 5 multiplied by what is 15? That one we have to write here. So this is fill in. So 5 3s are 15. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by what is 25? 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. So I hope you understood what is fill in division. So another example also I will give about division. So I have to erase the board here. So students, here you can see I have written long division. What is long division? Like long addition, long multiplication, like that long division. In division, what are the division forms? What are the facts? I will teach you now. So look at the blackboard. I am giving an example. 18 divided by 9. So how I will write now here? 18 in middle, and I will draw a line like this, and 9 I will keep outside. So we know that in 9 table 18 is there. 9 multiplied by what is 18? 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So I have written the 2 here and again 18 I have written here, and I have to subtract here. 9 2s are 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Now I will tell the names of the number in which place what is there. You can see the main number here in the middle, it is called dividend. This is called dividend. And here with which number you are dividing, that is called divisor. And the number you are multiplying and keeping the number down, that is called quotient. And after subtracting the number with which one we are getting here at last, that is called remainder. Means remaining. After subtracting what number you are remaining down, that is called remainder. So here you can see, again I am telling 18 divided by 9. So 18 is the dividend. And with which number you are dividing, that is called divisor. And with which number you are multiplying means you are getting the answer, that is called quotient. And the left item, after subtracting the answer which one we are getting at last, that is called remainder. One thing I want to tell you students, that every time you will not get 0. So how it will be, I will give some another example and you will understand about the remainder. So I have to erase the board. So students, here you can see 23 divided by 2. Here I have given 2-digit number, a single digit also you can do. But I given here 2-digit number divided by 2. So here is the dividend here, I told you before, and this is the divisor. With this dividend we have to divide with the divisor, that is 2. So we know that in 2 table 2 is there, or 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. One single number I have to take because this is a single digit. So 2 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 we have to do, that is 0. Now which number will come down? This 3 will come down. We know that in 2 table we will not get 3. That's why I will tell you students, you have to keep a smaller number because you have to subtract from the number. That's why you have to keep smaller than 3. So in 2 table, what is the number smaller than 3? That is 2 only. So you will write here 2 1 is 2. So 3 subtracted by 2 is equal to 1. So this is the remainder. I told you before that every time you will not get 0 as the remainder. Okay, here you got remainder 1. I hope you understood students. So this is called the dividend. This is called divisor. Here is the quotient and this is the remainder, which is that last, that is called remainder. So students, I hope you understood what a division is. So at first I taught divide by repeated subtraction and division facts, and fill in like which table or which number you will multiply means you will get the answer. And here the long division with the names of the numbers, which number is called dividend, which is divisor, which is quotient, and which is remainder. In next class students, I will teach more about the division to make you understand. Clearly you will understand. Thank you students.